Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. To start, the SEC has said that they will be delaying the implementation of grayscale, which means that there will be more delays associated with ETF theories. As we discussed yesterday, the commissioner recently stated that they would not handle Ethereum ETFs in the same way as Bitcoin ETFs, and we know that they announced yesterday that they will delay BlackRock's Ethereum ETF. Now we're back to square one. They acknowledged the wrongdoing and held back progress in this industry openly and publicly. There were years when we could have advanced significantly and gotten a much stronger foothold in this industry if they hadn't caused these delays. Now we're back to the same old shenanigans with Gary Gensler and everyone else. Tomorrow, we'll get PCE statistics. It was Fed Chair Jerome Powell who publicly spoke on the bank's behalf. I've made mental notes about what's happening and what to anticipate. My prediction is that there will be a lot of volatility. Basically, we're only going in one direction, guys, up or down. As there has been a lot of pessimism in the market recently over employment and inflation data, so I would expect volatility to rise today. For the next 24 hours, though, we will wait to hear what the market has in store. However, our overly optimistic expectations for the Bitcoin ETF have been dashed by this. As a result, the Bitcoin ETFs are currently trading flat, and the market is eagerly awaiting the PCE data. For the rest of the year, the Fed now anticipates cuts of 75 basis points. Now let's talk about interest rates, which are predicted to stay put. Jerome Powell will be making his first public statement in support of their efforts at this event. Therefore, it's something we should certainly keep an eye on. The problem we're facing at the moment is that the market is still expecting more substantial swings than the Federal Reserve's predictions, but I'll be sure to keep you posted here. The present level of Bitcoin and altcoins still reflect that optimism, although this makes me a little weary. The market could so experience a decline. In my opinion, we are still in a bull run, and I've been suggesting that we may see Bitcoin around 35,000 or even lower in the near future. That doesn't mean I think it will go lower in the long run, I just think we'll see higher prices this year. Yes, I agree with you all, and there is much more ahead of us. I predict that following the Bitcoin halving, which is in around 8,687 days or so away, sales will begin to soar. However, tomorrow's announcements should be approached with caution. Today, I will not be making any significant changes here. In particular, I've noticed Xrp-related affectations and anxiety due to the widespread fear that the courts may reverse their stance on the status of sales on the secondary market as securities. This is quite unlikely, it will never happen, as you can see from my analysis. Nevertheless, market participants despise ambiguity. The market as a whole is showing us that. However, Xrp in particular is showing us this. Now this might provide us a great chance, as if we do fall into the 40s. I will begin purchasing at that point. I have been quite forthright about it. However, rumors abound that it was still a fantastic XLM. Some major news is going to be made by PayPal, I just know it. Whatever comes out, we will listen to. Keep in mind that Stellar has previously announced, albeit some time ago, that they have been working closely with PayPal. You guys need to know that we're just a couple of major announcements away from sending these prices soaring, so it's something to keep an eye on. You are aware that if things go our way, we will eventually see a case resolved using a Ripple vs SEC case. As a whole, the market and Xrp in particular are likely to have a surge. If the Ripple vs SEC case is successful, it will assist stabilize the entire market, which is something that I don't think many people realize right now. Finally, under the community tab, I did really post a presidential poll. In case you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all the latest news and community updates. In the polls, we have 78% of the vote going to Trump, 4% to Biden, and 19% to the other candidates. Out of the 1,000 votes I counted not long ago, about an hour ago, nearly 20% said they wanted neither candidate. Also, quite intriguing. In the following day, I will report back on the outcome of that. To help get our message out there, please subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon, bye.